like to introduce you to the latest innovation from FMH Conveyors. This is our LITESORT sortation system. The system is easily integrated with our BestFlex powered roller expandable conveyors and our MaxReach telescopic belt conveyor. In the design, this was developed with our BestConnect powered roller conveyor. The scanning system includes a 5-side scanner that will divert product to a specific pop-up divert and divert lane. The operating speed is 150 feet per minute. It can handle a minimum carton width of 6 inches, minimum carton length of 9 inches, maximum carton length of 48 inches, and a maximum carton elevation of 24 inches. The system is easily expanded to adapt as your needs change. You can add and remove divert lanes for your system. The gravity wings allow product to be staged. These wings can easily be folded up and stored out of place to reduce your storage footprint and when the system requires movement. Our control panel is an intuitive system to allow you to monitor faults in the system. We're excited about the LITESORT system and look forward to its presence in the market. If you'd like to learn more information about our LITESORT, please contact FMH Conveyors or visit our website at fmhconveyors.com.